Hello, Alexander Kun Manga here. Today I'll be doing a review on the Dragon Ball Z plastic model kit, Super Saiyan Son Goku. Tech deck. Why? Sorry, I had this guy around and it fell. But yeah. Not the video, but yeah. This is I think a very new release. This is a 2022 Japan. Age 15 and up. Real can't wait. But yeah. Got this one at Target. Here's what the thing is. Some more if you want to read. So yeah. The Kamehameha, Two Faces. I mean, not the Kamehameha shit. Instant transmission. The hands. Can't wait. And I do have an older piece I can use for some of this stuff. So yeah. Like the Kamehameha stuff. Yeah, this is the one, spoilers, if anyone in this channel hasn't seen Dragon Ball Z, you're crazy. I'm just messing with you guys, but yeah. Dragon Ball Z has been around since 1976? 76. Manga was, at least. And I do actually have all, at least, all the original, all 42 original volumes. So yeah. Ooh, yeah. Boom. Body piece. The golden hair. Good thing I bought the other one. Because it doesn't have any of the information on the stickers. Why? I'll probably use one of them for this one and one for the other. So yeah. It's pretty much, if you've seen the last video, definitely check this out. Oh yeah, the green eyes, the evil green eyes. If you guys don't know, if you haven't seen that one, go. I'll probably try to put a link in the description of this transformation scene. Holy shit, this was crazy. I remember watching this in Ocean dub, and then in the Kai dub of it. Yes, I watched the Ocean dub. The Ocean dub came out in '94 with the original Dragon Ball, if I remember correctly. I didn't start watching Dragon Ball from the Ocean arc till like 2001, maybe. Yeah, 2001. During the original run, that was actually the Ocean dub would have been Piccolo Jr. Saga. Or Start of Piccolo Jr. That saga was crazy. I watched it again. My favorite saga probably would be the I'm blanking. Yeah, Cell Saga, or yeah, Cell Saga for original, and probably gonna get blasted for this, but who gives a shit? Hold up, let me grab it. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I have the complete DBZ GT series, and I thought it was good, even though how shitty. Super Saiyan 4, can't wait to see that in this. Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta. Oob. But yeah. It's getting back on track. They can literally just get, if they all they need to do is make a Gohan head, a adult Gohan head, and do all of his forms. I can't wait to see his new form. Even though I haven't seen the movie yet. I know I'm really late on that, but yeah. Let me get this building and be right back with you guys. Hello. I'm back. Just finished building the Super Saiyan Goku. The head is kind of loose because I've been using it. But yeah, it's basically just the same body as that normal base Goku. I put the kanji for Goku on the front and back. The only big difference with this one is the Super Saiyan look. It comes with a neutral face and a Kamehameha. Oh god. Whoa. Screaming face. Basically, Kamehameha. Comes with the Kamehameha hands. And instant transmission. So yeah, let me switch the head. And the face, I meant to say. Very basic to switch it out. And the Kamehameha hands. It doesn't come with the effect piece, but I do have the effect pieces from a different kits I don't have anymore. I do have one of the parts, but I don't have all of them. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.